Have you ever seen a weight loss patch that promises to help burn fat, control blood sugar, boost metabolism, reduce cravings, increase energy, and improve overall wellness, all without changing much about your daily routine? If that sounds too good to be true, it's worth taking a closer look. Care Uplift Microneedle Patches are being promoted as an advanced wellness solution using so-called microneedle technology, with marketing that suggests the tiny needles deliver powerful ingredients directly into the body for fast and effective results. However, many of the claims made in these advertisements deserve careful scrutiny. The product is associated with bold promises of rapid weight loss and major health improvements, yet publicly available scientific evidence supporting these specific claims appears to be very limited. Some promotional materials also use AI-generated images, dramatic before and after photos, and testimonials that are difficult to independently verify, making it challenging to determine how authentic they really are. Another concern is the use of misleading language implying FDA approval or endorsement. Even though consumers should understand that FDA approval for a product is not the same as approval for the marketing claims being made. In addition, similar patches with nearly identical designs, ingredients, and promotional videos are often sold under different brand names, raising questions about whether Care Uplift is simply another rebranded version of an existing product. Heavy discounts, countdown timers, and limited-time offers are also common tactics that can pressure shoppers into making quick purchasing decisions without fully researching the product. While some users may report personal experiences, individual testimonials alone are not a substitute for strong clinical evidence. Based on the available information, Care Uplift Microneedle Patches presents several marketing red flags that consumers should carefully evaluate before buying. Taking time to research the product, review credible medical information, and maintain realistic expectations can help you make a more informed purchasing decision.